Hey, what's going on, Kris?
What's going on, boss man?
Ain't not much. Not much. Good to speak to you, man.
Yeah, finally good to meet you. Finally good to speak to you, man. It's been a minute.
I
Uh,
know
so,
it's been a minute, man. I remember when you first signed up, when you wrote me on Instagram.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Crazy, man. How did you find out about us, though?
So I kind of been like over the years was interested in doing the grills through me doing a welding job back in the day, and I had been looking for research and couldn't find anybody, and you popped up.
So tell me, right? So tell me, what did you learn? With using the portal and the course, what did you learn from the Grillz University course?
Basically, the whole dynamics of even metal fabrication and heating it and casting and how to, even the refinement of the metals, temperatures and stuff like that, things of those natures that I didn't know too much clear about. Molding, the waxing part, actually going through it a few times and understanding what you're doing. And oh, I forgot to do the mold spray, but it really went in depth to teach me how to get, to this point, so
Let
which
me
is
see.
which is a good accomplishment for me, man. I really, this is my first set talking about them. They're eight. They're my permanent cuts, but it's
They look
nice.
awesome.
Thank you, thank
That's awesome. I remember you sent me the picture of everything of your grills, so I'm going to be sending you your certificate. All right, your certificate of completion. What I want you to do is when you get it, just print it out, frame it, and just put it on your wall. You know what I mean?
you.
So
Exactly,
you
exactly.
feel good all the time, and when people come and see it, they see how official you are.
Yes, sir.
Now, do you feel that the course has made you successful to run a profitable grills business?
Of course it has. Yeah, it really has. Like you made it. Like I'm telling you, the course helps you with even getting the materials that you need, the supplies. You don't have to get the course, and you don't have to think too much. If you don't get the course, I'm sorry to say you're gonna be like, what I'm saying? There's plenty of steps that's not out there that he has or that your class provides. So yeah, man, the course is great. It's very beneficial, and without it, I don't know what you're gonna do. You know what I'm saying?
Right. So you say the course has helped you from when you started, it has helped you out and making
Oh,
grills.
well, yeah, it's actually helped me make grills. So like off of my first one, and I'm able to walk around with it. This has been a promotional tool, and I've gained
I,
clients just off of the first one.
that's
So it's been cool. You know what I'm saying? I can't deny it. Like it worked.
okay. So in about say 12 months, to a year, where do you hope to be making? What do you hope to be making from grills? Like, do you have a goal in mind on how much revenue you want to make in grills?
Uh, yeah, somewhere up to towards 100K or better. Reason being, because this is not just, this is something that people can keep over time. This isn't something that just deteriorates. It has value, and then you can add value during, depends on the carat or what metal you're using. So, uh, this is very lucrative in that sense, and something that moving forward, I definitely want to embark on, as well as the other courses you got with the diamond setting to implement with that also. So it's very much room for making financial, efforts as far as 100 grand or better. I don't see why not.
Right. That's good, man. It sounds like, we always want people to at least make 10K a month. And that's right, exactly what you said, 100K. So that's perfect, man. So what would you say to the viewers, that's interested, but they still on the fence about joining the program?
Do not be on the fence. First of all, it's in your brain. You just haven't been introduced to it yet. It's not, difficult. It's like a bicycle. Once you get on it and ride it, hey, you got it. And you can start doing tricks and turning the stuff and add pegs and all of that. But you got to get your basics. And he has the perfect format and formula that'll really help you get to where you want. And it's really a creative thing. Once you understand the concepts, you're like, oh, now it's just, creatively, I can just enhance this and enhance this. So take the course. Do not be on the fence. You being on the fence, you're only holding yourself back. True. True.
That's true, man. I can't say it any better than that. You're doing a great job. You're in the right, perfect industry, which you already do. So it shouldn't be hard for you to actually start, taking off to get to that 100K. You know what I
That's my
mean?
whole plan too, is to like, cause some of these people and that I deal with, like this is what they do, you know what I'm saying? This is in their market for real. And down to the, I'm getting the diamond setting course. I'm on the way. I'm gonna get a 3D printer. I have one sitting right here next to me, but I want the one that you suggest, 3D resin printer. I have one sitting right here. It made the Banshee boat, but you know, I'm on the way, man. I'm definitely your course has inspired all of that. So yeah.
Awesome. Well, listen, Kris, I just want to say thank you for jumping on to do the Zoom, and I appreciate it, man. And you stay doing what you're doing, okay?
All right, Real. Have a good one. Thank you, sir.
All right, man. You too.
All right.
Awesome.
Thank you.